Hey, I'm sure most of you guys have visited the dentist before, but not everyone is really comfortable with the idea of going or even know the procedures that take place in the dental office. Now, currently, I'm a dental student. I study at the College of Oral Health Sciences and I am a dental hygienist. I previously graduated. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the dentist. Now, first of all, on your trip to the dentist in the morning, depending on your procedure, if you're gonna take LA with a needle or so on, you're gonna be a bit nervous to say the least. But guys, honestly, there's nothing to fear. I understand it. I've been in the dental chair before, besides from actually treating real patients. I've been a patient. So I'm telling you guys, there's really nothing to fear. Like, your dentist will take time with you, help you, guide you, and we're specially trained to deal with those fears. Like a phobia, if you look up online, you'll see that it's an irrational fear. I understand where you're coming from. I don't really think that most of the phobias that we have are really irrational, but they are manageable and not really necessary. So on your trip to the dentist, while you're walking to the dentist going there, you're going to be a bit nervous. But besides from that, when you reach inside the lobby, you're going to see a whole heap of different persons, probably some you may even know, So you're going to talk to the receptionist. And when you talk to the receptionist, you're going to already have been booked you're going to already have booked your appointment. Maybe you're there to actually book your appointment right now, Anyways, you go on. You're going to see the dentist right now. You lay on the chair. He greets you a decent good morning. When he greets you with that decent good morning, then guys, you're gonna actually start the procedure. But besides from when you actually say that, the first thing he's gonna do when you actually walk in, he's gonna check your gait. When he actually checks your gait and all of that, all the procedure begins from when you first walk in. He's gonna be checking everything: your ankle, how you walk, your gait, your smell, even like everything. We're gonna check that, So you're gonna actually start the procedure after that, depending on what you're actually doing. You should start out with vital signs, checking your vital signs, and then after that, then you're gonna go into intra and extra oral examination. You're gonna take your x-rays and you're gonna do your probing, and if it's an extraction, you're gonna take your LA before, and if it's actually a crown, what's your procedure you're gonna take? Like, some of them actually require local anesthetic, LA. So you're gonna get that injection. After that, don't worry about it, guys. So you're not gonna feel that thing. You're gonna feel pressure, but you're not gonna feel any pain after a while, guys. You're not gonna feel any pain, and all you have to do is just follow his instruction, and you'll get through it. You'll get through it really good. So when he actually does all of the imaging techniques, every single thing that he needs to do, and goes in, like, guys, and does what he needs to do, you're gonna have a brighter smile. If you're going there for a dental cleaning, you're gonna have your whole world is gonna transform, believe me. So guys, when you actually visit the dentist, don't be scared. I can make a more in-depth video on different procedures of the dental office, but right now it's just visiting the dental office and saying that you don't need to have that irrational fear of the dentist coming from a dentist. Guys, thank you again. Let me know what you think about the video. Like, subscribe, and comment below, guys. This is Toonly for Graphics signing out.